On the bottom side of our hood, there's going to be 4 rubber plugs right here. Let's go ahead and use our trim tool. We're going to pop those plugs out. An open side where we just remove the plugs is going to be an 8mm nut on each one of these here. Let's go ahead and remove these. Go ahead and pull our molding forward. Pop that off. So our original molding had a plastic retainer tab right here. Just going to use our trim tool and we're going to go ahead and pop this out. Point here before we reinstall our new part, let's go ahead and clean this. This isn't necessary, however, it will give you a nice clean edge and it's good to take care of your car. On the back side of our hood molding here, we're going to have a plastic locking tab here, and we're going to have 4 studs. Let's go ahead and line everything up on the hood, and then we'll press this into place. All right, let's go ahead and install the 4 nuts across the bottom. Go ahead and get the nuts started on the back side here. We're going to go ahead and get all 4 of these started and thread them on as far as you can by hand. Snug these down. They don't have to be super tight. Once they're bottomed out, that's pretty much it. And snug. Those nuts are all snugged into place. Let's go ahead and install our rubber plugs here. Now we can go ahead and lower this down. And go ahead and do a last quick clean on it. And there you have it.